Hey there, we have another installation video for you today. We are going to Hudson, Wisconsin for a new home built by Creative Homes, and we're going to add our Xtend Porch Windows. Let's get to it. Well, the guys got that job all done. Our Xtend Porch Windows installed into another beautiful porch. As you could see in the video, that is a second-story elevated porch, and we did not have a guardrail in there. We will be coming back to add a frameless glass guardrail, and we'll try to get a video on that after the glass comes in and that gets finished off. If you have any questions on the finishing or installation process, feel free to leave a comment below and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have. In our description below, as always, we'll have a link to our full set of installation instructions and a link to our video on our sizing guide of how to choose the right layout for the best use of our Xtend Porch Windows. Thank you for checking out our video, and we'll see you on the next one.